Hey, I'm JR, training manager here at Crutchfield, and this is the JL Audio C1 series of car speakers. It is a complete line of car speakers, and I would call them low-cost, high-performance speakers. They're kind of perfect for replacing your factory speakers. If you want to give them a little more power with a new radio or an amplifier, you can, but they're designed to sound good in just about any car. It is a complete line, so there's a whole bunch of sizes available in the C1 line. 4-inch, 5 1/4, 6 1/2, 5x7, and 6x9 two-way speakers. There's a 6x9 three-way speaker, and there's two sizes of component systems, a 6 1/2-inch and a 6x9 with that separate tweeter to give you better imaging and sound staging in the front of your car. The C1 series speakers look great. That yellow you're seeing there, that is a mineral-filled polypropylene woofer, so it can handle plenty of power and give you good, clean, accurate bass and mid-range frequencies. That tweeter is an aluminum edge-driven tweeter, so super sharp, super crisp, really nice, bright sounds out of the tweeter. And these speakers are very efficient, which means they'll make good use of the power even if you have a lower powered factory radio or an aftermarket radio. Of course, you can add an amp to get more sound into them, but one of the benefits of the C1 series is just how efficient they are. The 6x9 and 6 1/2-inch component system come with that separate tweeter and a separate inline crossover to make sure that your tweeter is, of course, only playing the high frequencies. The C1 line of speakers does not come with speaker grills, and that's one of the ways JL Audio is able to keep the cost down. Most of the time, you're not even going to use your grill. These speakers are designed to fit underneath your factory grills in most locations, so they're going to look great underneath your factory grills, and of course, they're going to sound amazing. So this is the JL Audio C1 series of car speakers. They're perfect for factory replacements, and they'll grow with you if you want to build a system over time. If you have any questions about these speakers, go ahead and throw it in the comments. We'll look at those questions. We'll respond to you whenever possible. And of course, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.